So the good stuff in Unity happens when you start scripting things. I thought I'd just do a quick introduction on how scripting looks, and it will be a sequence of a couple of videos. What I want to do is firstly just get any kind of little script running. So I'm going to get Bob to run a script for me. So click on Bob, and I'm going to add a component to Bob, which is going to be a new script. There are other scripts, but I'm just going to make a new script because I think it will be instructive. So I'm going to do a Bob demo script, which I've created, and it comes up here. It says here's the script, Bob demo, and you'll see it goes faint, which means it's available for clicking on. So you can double click on this and it's going to open it in Visual Studio, which will probably take a long time, and the first time you do it you're going to have to sign in or even sign up, and there's various dialogues that are kind of irritating. Here's one of them that you'll see, and don't worry about why. I've checked it out, it's all good. Just click do not ask me again about this one, and I think there's another error that you get as well. You can just kind of click through, and then ultimately, give us a moment, here we are, we get here. So it's built some of the basic structure for us. So this is a script attached to Bob, remember. Here's Bob, and here's the script attached to him. And the two basic functions it gives you a function here, start, every time Bob is created. So normally when you start your program, I guess, it's going to run whatever is between this bracket and this bracket. This is the function that runs. Also, it says here update is called once per frame. So everything between this bracket and this bracket will be called once per frame. Let's just have a quick look at what that looks like. I'm going to use a debug statement just to do a tiny bit of output. It's not going to do anything in the game. It just outputs to the console, and I'm going to call this what I'm just going to write a single line that says hi from Bob, and the underlined squiggle at the end means I haven't put a semicolon. Every line needs to end with a semicolon. So if I save that and then I go back to Unity and I run my program, which is running now, and just hit escape and go look at the console, it says hi from Bob. That's nice. Let's just also look at that other update function and checks what it does what we think it does. So just copy that line, and I'm going to put in here, when it finally wakes up, I'm going to say hi again from Bob. Save that again, back to Unity, hit the play button, and we should see the console do some stuff when it wakes up. Yeah, so we did get the hi from Bob right at the very beginning, but you can see right here now the number of messages we're getting. We're getting about 60 per second, because it's doing about 60 frames per second. Hi again from Bob. So that is our first little bit of scripting. We now have a place where we can write code. We haven't done anything interesting yet. That's yet to come.